Hello guys, if you are watching this video, it means you are really facing problem due to phone unlock. It means your phone has been locked due to pattern, pin or password lock. So don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your phone has been unlocked without visiting any service center and without need of any computer software. Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As in so in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone like pin, pattern or password. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin, pattern or password lock. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the method what I am going to give you in this video, your phone has been unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone battery should not battery less than 30% charge. Otherwise, whatever data in your phone may be deleted. So before starting the method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%. Or else you can charge your phone at the time of using unlocking method. As you see my friend, my phone batteries is very low. It's below 20%. So I have connected my charger to the phone for using this unlocking method. So you can also use this unlocking method by connecting your charger to your phone. Okay. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you my friend, that this method update every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or old videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the further videos. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method mentioning in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your all the mobiles network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network should be closed. So you can see my friend, my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network. So firstly I will have to close the Wi-Fi network, and all the application, all the network like telecommunication network should be closed. So what you will have to do, you will have to simply slide your phone downside like this, and you will have to click on airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on airplane mode or flight mode, your all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network will be closed, and your phone will be ready to go with the offline unlocking methods or engineers mode unlocking method. Okay, now you will have to close all the running application where your phone was not locked. All the running application will be running in your background, so all the running application should be closed to use this unlocking method. So simply you will have to go with the emergency call option, and when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I will give you a secret code to close all the running application, and today's secret code is star has 555 then star then 88 then star 00 then hash. You can also take a screenshot for the further use of this secret code. Okay, because this secret code updates within 2 or 3 days by the service center. Okay, so if your phone unlocked by this secret code, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this secret code, then you may also subscribe my channel and wait for the further upcoming videos. Now you will have to call on this secret code like this, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up, like you will have to click on OK button, and again you will have to call on this number at the second time, and again OK, and third time you will have to do the same process. Now after doing this process 3 times, your all the background running application will be closed, and your phone will be ready to go with the engineers mode or master unlocking mode. Now simply you will have to clear this secret code like this. And now I will give you a secret code which goes to the engineers mode or master unlocking mode. Okay, now the secret code by which you can reach to the engineers mode option, that is the star has 899 then hash. When you will click on hash, your phone's engineers mode or master unlocking mode will be activated. Now you can see there are also a lots of options over there on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a software version. All the keys have the specific function, but you don't have to go any option, because these options are for the modification of your mobile phone. Okay, so you will have to go with the option of a software version. When you will click on software version, you will get a such type of page you can see here, and there is an option of a model number. That's your phone model number. At the first number you can see that is RMX2117, and the second option is Android version, you can see here. Now you will have to go with the Android version. Now you can see my phone's Android version is 12. It may be possible your phone Android version will be Android version 13, Android version 11, or Android version 10. If your Android version is showing here 13, it means you will have to click on this Android version 13 times continuously without any gap. Okay, but here my my Android version is 12. It means I will have to click here. I will have to click on Android version 12 times rapidly, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the first method of unlocking method has been done. Now I will have to go with the back button, and when I will click on back button, you can see I have been reached at the previous page, and there is an option of a manual test above the software version, you can see here. Now you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will get a new page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page. You will have to simply slide your phone the right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now you can see at the end of this page, the other option has been appeared on my phone's display. Now you can see there are also a 5 type of option on this page, but you can see there is an option of a database version at the 4th number, or it may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name. So don't worry about the name. You will have to click on this mainboard version or database version at 7 times continuously, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now the second process of unlocking method has been done. Now you can see here at the second number there is an option of a read write important lock test. Now you will have to go with this option, read write important lock test. So I am going to click on this option, and when I clicked on this option, you can see here there is a option that asked me to confirm this option, but I don't have to confirm this option. I will have to cancel this option at the first time, and again at the second time I will have to again cancel this option, and the third time again I will have to cancel this. But at the fourth time, when I clicked on this option, I will have to go with the option with the OK button, and when I clicked on OK button, my all the forgotten pin pattern and password are on reconstruction mode. It means all the pin pattern and password has been which I had forgotten has been deleted, and now my phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password method. Okay, now the very last method and the very last step what I am going to give you is most important, so be careful about this, the final step. Okay, and if you are skipping any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. Okay, so watch the video properly when you want to unlock your phone. Okay, so now you will have to simply slide your phone left side until you reach to the device debugging page. You can see here there is an option of a device debugging page. Okay, now you will also get a lots of option on this page, you can see here, but you can see there is an option of a soft sensor self test and calibration option, you can see. Now I will go with this option, and when I will click on this option, I will get a 2 type of option here. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, so don't worry about it. Whatever option you are getting on your phone's display, you will have to click on all those options. Okay, now you can see the option is showing here operation not started, and the second option is also showing here operation not started. So simply I will have to start all these operations. Okay, so on this option I will have to click on these 2 options like this, and I will have to clicking on all these options until I get a single test pass message. So at the first time you can see here single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything on this phone. Simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply I will have to go with the home button. You can see at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. Simply I will have to click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I have clicked on this option. Now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the data and all the application which were in my phone before my phone was unlocked as it is as in my phone. It means this tricks and this method really works, my friend. If your phone has been unlocked with this trick, then do the like the video, and if your phone could not unlock with this trick, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will definitely help you within 2 or 3 minutes. Thank you so much. Be with me for the next videos. Thank you very much.